by delivering my speech. What do you think when you read my topic? I'm sure most of you agree with this, and some of you also don't agree with this topic. Now, tell me, do you agree or you don't agree?
Agree.
Is there anybody don't agree with my topic? Students have to face examinations every 3 or 6 months. The examinations are given to test their knowledge, whether they have understood or they haven't understood yet about the materials which have been taught by the teachers. And the scores way bigger than the quizzes that they have. And based on my experience, because of the scores way bigger than the quizzes, it is more harder. Examinations are harder than the quizzes. Today, I will explain to you the reasons why examinations must be delayed and the real data that shows the reasons. Firstly, the reasons. Students can't do the examinations because they are weak in memorizing. When they have to memorize a lot of materials, they can't memorize it. Because they can't do the examinations, students will cheat their friends or they will buy answers from someone when they will have national examinations. When I was in the junior and senior high school, most of my friends bought answers from someone when they had national examinations. Students got frustrated when they see many difficult questions that they cannot do. Most students might do stupid and crazy things like their end their life when they got frustrated and they cannot do the examinations. Students will be lazy to study because a lot of materials to be learned. Because they are lazy to study, they will have no knowledge about the subjects that have been taught by the teachers. And the last, it will affect the scores because, like what I have told you before, the scores of the examinations will be bigger than the quizzes. Therefore, I will tell you the data. Students suicide themselves. In South Korea, there are 139 students suicided themselves in 2012. I got it from BBC.com. And Indonesia, actually we always hear on the television and we always read on the newspaper said that many students suicide themselves because they were frustrated, because they couldn't do the examinations. Students cheat. In Indonesia, at West Jakarta, there are many elementary students cheat when they have to face examinations. Could you think that they have been cheated when they have been in the elementary schools? In China, more than 2,000 students cheat by using high technology. I got it from dream.co.id. Oh, I almost forgot. Could you imagine that just because of examinations, students end their life? Students frustrated. I just give one example. At South Tapanuli, there was a boy who got unconscious before he had national examinations. His mother said that he couldn't calm down himself. Before examination. So today I showed you two basic things. I showed you the reasons why examination must be delayed, that tell students cheat, students frustrated, and students suicide. Before I end my speech, I will tell my quote: the success of the students is the precious thing in our life as a teachers. And I hope by delivering my speech, I have persuaded all of you to tell, as the future teachers, to tell the school that you will work on that examinations must be delayed. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, we do agree with you that to eliminate the exam, but do you have other solutions how we assess the student without using examination?
Okay, thank you for the questions. The solution is by giving the quizzes after one chapter, every one chapter. So the scores in the report, it will depend on how many quizzes. It will divide into, example, if there are 8 quizzes, so the scores will be sum up and it will divide into 8.
Okay, so there's still a form of test, but not in the form of big examination. So it's small test like that. I mean, still there's a form of test. Student will be tested, but in the form of quizzes, not big examination.
So it will be better if students have to learn one material, not two materials, every one chapter, and it is a habit. So it is a habit. It can start on their mind, on their brain.
Thank you.
Based on your quote, the success is a precious thing for the students, right?
For our
Yes, for this. Yeah. How can you make sure that with the examination, final exam, it can make the students itself to be a successful person?
Then they can not the success become a successful student, but their success in their school.
Yeah. Okay, success in their school, but how can you make sure that they can success from their school if they do not have examination? While the examination itself, it is for the teacher can look at the students already know about the materials or not.
So the students will, like I told Kak Helmi, the student will be given quizzes. So it is, they will like to learn one material. If it is you will learn you prefer one material than many materials, right?
Okay, if you say it like that, even though with the final examination there will be a lot of quizzes like ulangan in Indonesia, right? So there is ulangan and there is examination, and that's why we raise the examination itself.
That's why we like having the quizzes, no need examination.
Oh yeah,